Thanks for our educational workshop, How to Add a New Chart of Account into Sage 50 Cloud Accounting. Let's learn more about Sage 50 Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is a list of places to enter transactions. It contains a code, sometimes called an account number, a description for each account in the type code. The amount that are posted applied to these accounts are used to create financial statements, such as the balance sheet and income statement, so they are very important. The goal for this exercise, you will learn how to add a new chart of account into Sage 50 Cloud Accounting. I have a scenario for you. Your chart of accounts may have been set up already, and you want to add a new account. A new account can be added to your chart of accounts with just a few clicks. I'll show you how. Select the Maintain module at the top of your screen. Select Chart of Accounts on the list. Here you will see a blank template of a chart of account where you will enter your information. Select New to create. Enter the account number and name in the account ID field. Enter a description to better classify if needed. Select the proper account type in the drop-down box. Don't forget to select Save and Close. Thanks for joining our educational workshop, How to Add a New Chart of Account into Sage 50 Cloud Accounting.